Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you permanent tissues. Cell divide from division. Cell divided from division of merismatic tissue take up a specific role and lost the ability to divide. Cell division करते करते ability to divide loss कर जाता है. This type of tissue is called permanent tissue. Different type of permanent tissues are formed due to difference in their specialization. Type of permanent tissue. There are two type of permanent tissues: simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissue. First of all, we know about simple permanent tissues. These tissues are composed of similar cells. This type of tissues are of following three types. Means simple parenchyma divided in three type of tissues: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Parenchyma. Para means beside, inchyma means infilling. Parenchyma cells having living protoplasm, intercellular space are abundant. Intercellular space, दो सेलों के बीच का स्पेस, intercellular space are abundant. Permanent parenchyma cells are loosely packed, so intercellular space is abundant. Occurrence widely distributed in stem, root, leaves, flowers and fruits. Parenchyma found in soft part of plant as cortex of root, mesophyll of leaves. It is function. Serve as packing tissues, support of stem, store and assimilate food, transport of materials, intercellular space allow gaseous exchange, produce tannin, gum, crystals, resins, etc. Perform photosynthesis because found in mesophyll of leaf. Give buoyancy of plant. Act as water storage tissues in xerophytic plant. Now we know the second type of permanent tissue. Collenchyma. Cola means glue. Inchyma, infilling. Collenchyma tissue also consists of living cells. It shows many of features of parenchyma, but is characterized by the deposition of extracellulose at the corner of cell. At the corner of cell, extracellulose present at the corner of cell. Occurrence: collenchyma are located below the epidermis of dicot stem. Dicot stem के छिलका, epidermis के below and petiole, leaf की डंठी. These cells also occur in mid-rib of dicot leaf. Function: collenchyma is mechanical tissue in young dicot stem. Collenchyma provide tensile strength with flexibility to those organs in which it is found. It allows easy bending in various part of plant without actually breaking it. Third part of permanent tissues, sclerenchyma. Sclerus, hard, in chyma infinite. Sclerenchyma cells are dead and derived of protoplasm. The cell wall of cells are greatly thickened with deposition of lignin. स्क्लेरेंकाइमा में डिपोजिशन ऑफ लिग्निन, जबकि कोलेनकाइमा में डिपोजिशन ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा सेल. Such cell walls are called lignified. जिस सेल वॉल में लिग्निन डिपोजिट होता है उसे लिग्निफाइड कहते हैं. लिग्निफाइड सेल्स कैविटी, हर सेल के बीच में लार्ज कैविटी. सेल्स कैविटी मीन्स ल्यूमेन become nearby absent. Cell cavity, lumen, absent, nearby absent. Cells are closely packed without intercellular space. बिना space का packed. It occurs in abundance either in wax or definite layer. These are found in stem, roots, veins, seeds, and nuts. Function: the sclerenchyma is mainly mechanical and protective. It gives strength, rigidity, flexibility, elasticity of the plant body. तो इस तरह से परमानेंट टिश्यूज का पढ़े थे हम लोग, देखे थे सिंपल परमानेंट और कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट. तो सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यूज का 3 टाइप पढ़े हम लोग. फर्स्ट था पेरेन्काइमा, सेकंड कोलेनकाइमा, थर्ड स्क्लेरेंकाइमा. तो इस तरह से परमानेंट टिश्यू का फर्स्ट पार्ट यानी सिंपल परमानेंट टिश्यूज कंप्लीट. अब नेक्स्ट डे कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट टिश्यूज की चर्चा होगी. थैंक्स.